Good morning, children. Welcome to Silver Bells English Medium Mansoura School. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 8, Natural Resources, types of soil. Now, number 4, laterite soil. The name laterite is derived from the Latin word later, which means a brick. Okay, it can be asked in exam. The name laterite is derived from Latin word. Okay, the word is derived from where? Latin. Okay, it means brick. Its red color is due to iron oxide. What is reason for its red color? Is it has a iron oxide in it. When this soil becomes wet, it becomes smooth like butter, and when it is dry, it becomes very hard. So when it becomes wet, it becomes just like butter, and when it is dry, it becomes very hard. It is formed due to the change of dry and moist climate and due to the prevention of silica based material. It has also one another property. It has a prevention of silica based material. Then this soil has developed in higher area of peninsular plateau of India, where it is found. So where the area of peninsular plateau, mountain, then plateau, we can say tabletop land, where laterite soil is found, plateau of India. The soil contain more iron, potash and aluminum. Then put underline over here also. This soil contain more iron, potash and aluminum. The soil is less fertile, but cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew, etc. can be grown after using fertilizer. Actually, it has not much fertility, but suppose if you add fertilizer, and by using fertilizer you can grow such crop, cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, cashew, etc. can be grown after using fertilizer. So laterite soil, what you have to keep in your mind? The name laterite is derived from Latin word which means a brick. Then what is the reason of it has a red color? So we can say the answer is iron oxide. Then where it is found, higher area of peninsular plateau of India. And what kind of minerals laterite soil contain? The soil contains more of iron, potash and aluminum. And then what kind of crop can be grown? If you keep this thing in your mind, then you can write about laterite soil. Now next we are going to discuss desert soil. Desert soil. This types of soil is seen in the area where the climate is arid or semi-arid, where is less rain, otherwise no rain. The soil is sandy and infertile. It is a sandy and infertile. उसमें आप कोई भी क्रॉप ग्रो अच्छी तरह से नहीं कर सकते हो. It contains more dissolved minerals. Try to understand. It contains more dissolved minerals. Rajasthan, where it is found? Rajasthan, Haryana, Southern Punjab have this type of soil. In Gujarat, this type of soil is found in Kutch, some parts of Saurashtra, which with irrigation facility, crops like millet, jowar can be cultivated in this region, this soil. Student, what you have to keep this in your mind? So where it is find where it is found, This type of soil is seen in the area where the climate is arid or semi-arid. Okay, which are the places, okay, where desert soil is found. The name of the area we can say Rajasthan, Haryana, southern Punjab have this type of soil. Suppose particularly in Gujarat, so desert soil is found in Kutch and some parts of Saurashtra. And then another thing is this, which kind of crop can be grown, millet and jowar, but after having irrigation facility. Okay, and millet and jowar does not need much water, so with less, okay, need of water it can be grown. Then mountain soil. This type of soil is found in valley slopey region of Himalayas at altitude of about 2700 to 3000 meter. Okay, nearby Himalayas it is found. Keep this in your mind. Okay, in higher altitude. Then its layer is very thin and is underdeveloped. Okay, all time the matter of erosion, so it has layer is very thin. Okay, this soil is found in Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. In Himalayas the soil is found at general altitude in the region of pine and cedar trees available. Okay, keep this in mind where it is found. Okay, mountain soil is found in valley and slopey region of Himalayas. First of all, put line over here, valley slopey region of Himalaya. Then altitude about 2700 to 3000 meter. Okay, then in which states? So Assam, Darjeeling, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Okay, now next, forest soil. This type of soil is found within altitude between 3000 meters to 3100 meters. Okay, 3000 meter to 3100 meter in coniferous forest of Himalayas, Sahyadri, Eastern Ghats and Tarai region of Himalayas. Okay, we can say it is also area of Himalaya. Again, Himalayas, Sahyadris, Eastern Ghats and Tarai region of Himalayas where much rain is there. Okay, the surface of the earth is covered by shaded leaves of the trees and the upper part of the land becomes black due to the increase in humus caused due to decaying leaves. Okay, it changes into blue or red color. Okay, it changes into blue or red color while going down within the land. Beside tea, coffee, spices and other crop like wheat, maize, barley, paddy etc. are taken. This soil is found in limited area, not everywhere, but which kind of crop is grown over here? So suppose tea, coffee, spices. Okay, then wheat, maize, barley, paddy. Okay, so beverages, okay, and spices also there. And in crop wheat, maize, barley, paddy, that are taken here. This soil is found in limited area, not everywhere. Okay, then marshy or peaty soil. This type of soil develops in humid region due to accumulation of biotic elements. During rainy season, this soil is submerged under water, and when water recedes, paddy can be grown it. Try to understand where. Okay, marshy. these types of soil develop humid region, okay, where is humidity is more, okay, and due to accumulation of biotic elements, okay, because of having humidity and there is accumulation of biotic elements. During rainy season this land submerged, okay, because of having flood, okay, it's submerged, it mixed with water body, okay. So during rainy season this land submerged under water, and when the water recedes, when, okay, water dries up, paddy can be grown in, okay. What crop can be grown over here? But when, try to understand, during rainy season this land merged under water, and when water recedes paddy can be grown in it. There is an excess biotic elements and mineral in such soil, okay, too much biotic elements and minerals in such soil, but it shows insufficiency in phosphate and potash. What is less over here? Phosphate and potash. Try to understand, okay. Marshy land, okay, which has not sufficient potash and phosphate. Such soil is found in Odisha, West Bengal, coastal Tamil Nadu, central area of northern Bihar, and in Almora district of Uttarakhand. This soil has very limited extent. Okay, so by this way we have seen different types of soil. We have discussed 8 types of soil. Now children, what you have to keep this in mind, actually this is the data, okay. So you can remember one another way I am telling you. What you do, you make one table in your notebook, okay, just in one column types of soil. So there are different 8 types of soil we can say, which is given in your textbook, okay, as we discussed. In one column types of soil, another one minerals, which kind of minerals are there, okay, then crops. In third column you give title crops, and which kind of crops can be taken in particular soil you write down, and area where it is found, okay. So what is this? Whenever you see the thing you can keep this in mind, okay. That information can be useful for your 1 marks question answer or in the match the following also. In next we will discuss about next topic of this chapter, okay. I hope you can understand this thing, okay. Suppose if you have any query you can call me also.